Is that carry-on bag about to trigger a fine, a confiscation, or something far worse? Airport security in 2026 is no longer just about metal detectors and quick scans. Rules are stricter, technology is smarter, and the margin for error has practically vanished. One innocent-looking item tucked inside a backpack can now lead to serious questioning, massive fines, or even legal trouble before the plane ever leaves the ground. Everyday supplements are being treated like controlled substances. Popular gadgets are getting tossed into bins. Simple accessories are triggering inspections that spiral into hours of delays. Many passengers do not realize anything is wrong until an officer pulls their bag aside and everything changes. By then, it is already too late. This is not about obvious dangers like weapons or illegal contraband. This is about normal carry-on items that millions of travelers pack every single day. Most travelers believe they know what is allowed on a plane, but not all are right. The items causing the biggest problems right now are probably sitting in carry-on bags at this very moment. Some have already triggered fines in the thousands. Others have led to confiscations that ruined vacations before they even began. This video breaks down the 10 carry-on items that can get passengers fined, stopped, or even arrested. But before finding them out, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more travel updates that could save money, time, and serious stress on the next trip. Number 1. Fake luxury items that seem harmless but can cost thousands in fines. Many travelers believe carrying a counterfeit handbag, watch, or accessory is no big deal. After all, it is just for personal use. That assumption is rapidly becoming outdated. In several countries, border officials are increasing crackdowns on counterfeit goods carried by individuals. Airports in fashion capitals such as Paris and Milan have become especially strict. Travelers arriving with fake designer bags or watches have faced immediate confiscation and fines that sometimes exceed the value of the flight itself. Customs officers no longer focus only on large shipments of fake goods. Individual travelers are now included in enforcement efforts due to concerns about funding illegal manufacturing networks. Intent rarely matters. Even if a traveler bought an item unknowingly from a street market, authorities may still treat the situation as a customs violation. Agents are trained to spot inconsistencies in logos, stitching, and materials. If a product looks suspicious, it can be seized without debate. The safest strategy is simple. If authenticity cannot be confirmed through a reputable purchase, leave the item at home when traveling internationally. Number 2. Drones that turn creative travel into a customs nightmare. Drones are beloved by content creators and casual travelers alike. Aerial footage transforms ordinary trips into cinematic memories. However, many countries treat drones not as toys, but as controlled aviation equipment. Carrying one without proper authorization can trigger immediate problems at customs. In several regions, drones require advance permits or registration before arrival. Without that documentation, authorities may confiscate the device on the spot. Retrieving it later often involves complicated paperwork and extended delays. Some travelers never see their equipment again. In certain destinations, flying a drone near historic or government sites can lead to heavy fines or questioning. Attempting to hide a drone within clothing or gear makes matters worse. Security scanners clearly detect electronic components, batteries, and camera assemblies. If officials suspect deliberate concealment, the situation may escalate beyond simple confiscation. Intent becomes part of the conversation, and that can complicate entry into the country. Checking drone regulations for both destination and transit locations before packing is essential. Number 3. Spy gadgets and hidden recording devices that raise serious red flags. Technology continues to shrink while its capabilities expand. Recording pens, smart glasses, and miniature cameras are easy to carry and widely available. At home, these devices may seem innovative and fun. At international borders, they often attract intense scrutiny. Many countries maintain strict laws regarding covert recording equipment. Devices designed to disguise cameras or microphones inside everyday objects are frequently classified as surveillance tools. Security scanners easily detect batteries and circuitry inside items that should not contain electronics. When such anomalies appear on an X-ray, secondary inspection is almost guaranteed. Authorities may confiscate the equipment or request detailed explanations about its purpose. In certain regions, carrying concealed recording devices without authorization can lead to fines or more serious consequences. The situation becomes especially sensitive in countries with strong privacy or national security regulations. Number 4. Plasma arc lighters that look futuristic but invite inspection. Plasma arc lighters have gained popularity as sleek, rechargeable alternatives to traditional lighters. They produce intense heat without a visible flame, creating a futuristic appeal. Unfortunately, that same feature makes airport security cautious. Because these devices generate high heat on demand, they fall under strict transport rules. Some airports allow them in carry-on luggage only if equipped with a reliable safety mechanism that prevents accidental activation. However, enforcement can vary widely between locations and even between individual officers. If a security agent doubts the effectiveness of the safety latch, the lighter may be confiscated immediately. Debating technical specifications rarely changes the outcome. In certain countries, all lighters are restricted regardless of design, meaning plasma arc versions are automatically prohibited. Number 5. Smart luggage that can be destroyed at the gate. Smart suitcases with built-in batteries and tracking features promise convenience and modern style. However, airline policies regarding lithium batteries have become increasingly strict. If a smart suitcase must be gate-checked and its battery cannot be removed quickly, the traveler faces a difficult choice. Airlines typically require lithium batteries to remain in the cabin where any fire risk can be managed. A battery sealed inside a checked bag in the cargo hold presents a much greater hazard. If the battery is not removable, the suitcase may be refused for transport altogether. Some travelers have been forced to dismantle or abandon expensive luggage moments before boarding. Number 6. Vapes and e-cigarettes that can lead to fines or confiscation. Vaping devices occupy a confusing legal space across the globe. In some countries, they are widely accepted, while in others they are restricted or banned entirely. Travelers carrying vapes through strict jurisdictions have encountered fines, confiscations, and even legal warnings upon arrival. Airline policies also impose limitations. Charging vaping devices during a flight is typically prohibited due to battery safety concerns. Using them on board or attempting to conceal usage in lavatories can trigger significant penalties and possible airline bans. Customs enforcement varies dramatically between destinations. In certain regions, simply possessing a vape may be enough for confiscation or fines. Travelers often assume international rules mirror those at home, but that assumption leads to problems. Checking local regulations before packing is essential for avoiding unpleasant surprises at the airport. Number 7. Power banks that exceed battery limits and get confiscated instantly. Portable chargers have become essential travel companions, especially during long flights and layovers. However, not all power banks are welcome in carry-on bags. Aviation authorities around the world enforce strict limits on lithium battery capacity, and exceeding those limits can result in immediate confiscation or delays at security checkpoints. Most airlines allow power banks under 100 watt-hours without issue. Devices between 100 and 160 watt-hours fall into a restricted category and may require airline approval before travel. Anything exceeding 160 watt-hours is generally prohibited on passenger flights. The problem is that many travelers do not know the watt-hour rating of their devices or assume that larger batteries are automatically allowed. Security agents rely on visible labels to determine compliance. If the watt-hour rating is missing, scratched off, or unreadable, the device may be treated as non-compliant regardless of its actual capacity. Agents are not responsible for verifying specifications through online searches or manufacturer details. When in doubt, they err on the side of caution and remove the item. Another common mistake involves carrying multiple large power banks. Even if each one falls within the acceptable range, airlines may limit the number permitted in a single carry-on bag. Exceeding that limit can lead to confiscation of the extras. Number 8. CBD products and sleep gummies that can trigger serious legal trouble. Wellness products have surged in popularity, and many travelers rely on CBD oils, sleep gummies, or relaxation supplements during flights. While these items may be legal in some regions, international laws surrounding them remain inconsistent and often extremely strict. Carrying CBD across borders can lead to severe consequences in certain destinations. Customs authorities in several countries classify CBD and related products under controlled substance regulations. Even items labeled as containing no THC can trigger legal action if local laws do not recognize that distinction. Chemical screening equipment used at airports detects molecular structures rather than marketing claims. Labels and packaging rarely influence enforcement decisions. Travelers have faced confiscations, fines, and lengthy questioning after attempting to enter countries with small quantities of CBD products intended for personal use. In some jurisdictions, possession alone is treated as a criminal offense regardless of intent. Medical prescriptions or documentation from home countries may not be accepted as valid justification. Transit flights also create risk. An unexpected layover or emergency landing in a country with strict regulations can place travelers under unfamiliar legal systems without warning. Number 9. Unlabeled medications and supplements that raise suspicion. Organizing medications into small plastic bags or pill organizers may seem convenient, but this practice often creates unnecessary complications at airports. Security and customs officials rely on original packaging and labeling to verify the identity of pills and supplements. When tablets appear loose or unmarked, they can resemble controlled substances. Unlabeled medication is a frequent trigger for secondary screening. Officers may question travelers about prescriptions, dosages, and medical conditions. Without clear documentation, even common over-the-counter pills can be confiscated. Some countries maintain strict import rules regarding pharmaceuticals and supplements, making proper labeling essential. Carrying prescription medications without supporting documentation can also create issues. Certain drugs permitted in one country may be restricted or banned in another. Travelers passing through multiple jurisdictions face additional complexity, as each location enforces its own standards. Number 10. Everyday tools that security may treat as weapons. Finally, there are items that seem harmless in daily life but raise serious concerns in airport security environments. Small multi-tools, tactical pens, compact screwdrivers, and even certain souvenir items can be classified as potential weapons depending on local regulations. What feels like a practical tool at home may be viewed very differently at a security checkpoint. A compact multi-tool containing a blade or sharp edge is often prohibited in carry-on luggage. Even tools without obvious cutting surfaces can attract attention if they appear capable of causing harm. Security officers assess items based on potential use rather than intended purpose. A tool designed for repairs may still be treated as a weapon if it could be misused. Cultural and legal differences further complicate matters. Some countries enforce stricter definitions of prohibited items than others. A small folding knife permitted in one region may be considered an offensive weapon elsewhere. Travelers transiting through multiple airports can encounter varying interpretations of the same object. Confiscation is the most common outcome, but delays in questioning may also occur. In certain cases, carrying restricted tools can result in fines or additional screening procedures. Takeaways that you should seriously take away if you're a frequent flyer. Airport travel in 2026 requires more awareness than ever before. Many of the items that cause problems are not obviously dangerous. They are everyday gadgets, wellness products, and accessories that travelers carry without a second thought. A supplement moved into a plastic bag, a battery without a visible label, or a gadget that seems harmless can quickly escalate into delays, confiscations, or fines. Understanding how security officers interpret these items makes all the difference. Every traveler benefits from researching destination and transit regulations before packing. Checking airline policies and customs rules takes only minutes but can prevent hours of frustration later. Organized documentation, clear labeling, and thoughtful packing create a smoother experience from check-in to arrival. Remember, making the journey is far more important. You'll feel lighter not because you're lighter by an item, but because you've made it to your destination. If this guide helped avoid a costly mistake or unnecessary stress, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more travel updates that keep every journey smooth and hassle-free.